In this video, I'm installing the Java Development Kit version 17 on Mac. And now for Mac, the installer that you want to download depends on your computer architecture. The computer I'm installing on has an Apple M1 chip in it, so I want the ARM64 installer. If you have an Intel-based computer, you want the x64 installer. So I'm going to click on this one. I'm going to open it with the disk image mounter. Double click here. And this should install the Java Development Kit for you. And that's it. So to test that this is actually installed correctly, you can open up a terminal. Now I have a link to it here. If you don't have one, you can do Command space and just type terminal. That should open up one of these. And then you should be able to type Java, so Java, and then minus version. And if you've installed everything correctly, you should get this message here. So it says I've got Java version 17.01 installed. And if you see that message, everything's good. If you don't, you should probably try to contact me during office hours, and I'll give you a hand trying to figure out what's wrong.